Cruise and travel news. Monday, the 18th of May 2026. Good morning. This is Bruce with Lap of Luxury Travel bringing you today's cruise and travel news. We start in the Gulf of Mexico, where passengers aboard the Radiance of the Seas experienced a temporary overnight power loss after departing Cozumel during its current Western Caribbean sailing from Tampa. Passengers described it as an unsettling night at sea before power was restored and the voyage continued as scheduled. Royal Caribbean has not indicated any major operational impact following the incident. Next, the Carnival Mardi Gras assisted in the rescue of 9 people after their boat became disabled off the coast of Florida. Carnival's crew safely brought all passengers on board and coordinated with authorities. In river cruise news, Riviera Travel has announced a brand new vessel joining its Radiance Class fleet. The Riviera Rhapsody is scheduled to debut the 1st of April 2028, sailing Dutch waterway itineraries including Bruges, medieval Flanders, Amsterdam, and the Dutch bulb fields. And in New England cruise news, the ongoing battle between cruise lines and Bar Harbor continues in court. An appellate court has now overturned a previous ruling that heavily restricted cruise ship visits. Under the latest ruling, cruise ships will once again be allowed to dock with increased passenger numbers beyond the previous 1,000 passenger limit, except during the peak months of July and August. And finally, in airline news, American Airlines has submitted a letter of intent to begin service into Naples Airport with 3 daily arrivals and departures using smaller 6-5-seat aircraft. This could be a major development for Southwest Florida travelers looking for easier regional access without driving to larger airports. Bottom line, travel continues to evolve rapidly, from operational issues at sea to expanding airline access and growing demand for unique cruise experiences. If you're planning travel into 2027 or 2028, now is the time to start planning ahead. Call Bruce or Melissa today at 800-462-6807 or visit www.lapofluxurytravel.com. No planning fees, no upfront costs, just expert guidance and full trip overwatch from start to finish. Because ordinary isn't an option.